2.
Ow! I'm sorry, but it's hot.
Okay, yeah, duh.
Hey guys, it's Sanibel.
And today we're going to be making sugar cookies in the
Microwave!
To start, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of melted butter.
Then add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar.
You're going to need 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt.
Then you mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up till it's all combined together.
You're going to need 1 egg yolk, not the white.
Mix it up. Then add 3 tablespoons of flour.
Then you want to put the mugs into the microwave for 1 minute on high. We finished the cookies and this is what they should look like. Now we're going to try them. Oh, look how baked.
These are really, really baked.
Tastes just like a sugar cookie. It tastes like a sugar cookie, but it kind of has a consistency of a cake, if you can kind of see that. But it's delicious.
We really hope you enjoyed today's video.
Please hit the subscribe button and ding the notification bell so you know when new videos come up, and stay tuned to part 3 of our microwave desserts. We're making chocolate chip cookies.
See you guys next time on